Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Cougar House Garage. Today, we're working on an 86 Toyota, and we're doing a 5EZ Toyota V6 engine swap to it. So, let me show you guys the whole DL here. So, truck, 22R, gross. I hate these things. Loudspeaker. But yeah, so we got to yard this motor out. The customer already, disconnected power steering and the header, a few things. Sometimes they think they can save you some time, make things a little easier, which it does from time to time. Since this motor is trash, it doesn't matter if any of this is disconnected and we don't know what was what because it's all going out the window. So we're going to get this motor pulled out here and do the purple power treatment of the engine compartment as usual. And then we'll have this truck prepped and ready for the 5EZ. We got to get that picked up in the next episode here. So, all right, without further ado, guys, let's get started. Let's get this motor yarded out.
Alright guys, 86 Toyota. This is what's going to replace the other Toyota because it has an IFS frame, but it's got a 84, 85 body for carbureted on it, so there's no wiring in it. This is an 86, so IFS, everything it's supposed to have, for some reason has a two-wheel drive bed on it, which is weird. And the whole thing's shifted over. They don't even have it really bolted on. I just had it transported here. Look at that. Look at the pads off the frame. So yeah, that bed's coming off, and we're gonna put the bed on from the green Toyota and its fenders, and they'll get sprayed to match the gray. We'll pull this Blazer rear axle off and these weird ass backyard nasty ass sloped hangers, and put regular really nice hangers on from Sky Manufacturing, and rear shackle mounts. Put the probably 5-inch springs on. We'll see if the owner wants to do 5-inch springs or just factory OEM Toyota springs. They're in the bed with the little Dana 44. Somebody wants that, let me know. Message me, DM me. But yeah, this is looking good. So the next step, guys, we'll get the motor and we'll begin the resealing process. So we'll catch you guys soon. Moving forward on the Toyota project, guys, we got the bed ready to be unbolted. We got the seats out. This fender, these fenders are going onto this Toyota. And the visor. New shocks, new wheels, tires, they're all going onto this Toyota. We got the two-wheel drive bed pulled off already. Now we're ready to put the green bed on it, the green fenders on it, and we already got the seats in it. Oh, I gotta reconnect that, but the seats are in there. We're looking really good. Let's continue on, guys. Let's get this thing put together. Continuing work on the 5VZ second generation Toyota swap project. We're going to continue stripping parts off the original Toyota that came in that's got the carbureted 84, 85 cab on the 86 plus frame. So we got to take off, show you guys here, we got to take off these brand new shocks. This rear axle is going to come off. The wheels and tires are new. That's what the owner asked me to do. Front shocks, wheel tires up front, obviously. Fenders, he made a custom grill. His visor, and the steering box. And that's pretty much all we need off this. Oh wait, need the dashboard out of it. This dashboard's in way better shape in this truck than the 87 cab. So we got to do that, and then we're also going to take a section of the floor right here out if it's usable, because it's a single cab instead of a extra cab. So we'll see if we can, but we need to use a bit of that sheet metal to repair in the 87 cab because somebody had triple cases in it. So we got to fill in that section of sheet metal so it looks factory. So, all right guys, without further ado, let's get this started. Let's get this Toyota stripped. The dashboard is pulled. This dash pad is in a lot better condition than on the other truck. That's why we pulled this. And now we have the spare dash skeleton and all of its pieces for the 87 Toyota now. So I think we're doing pretty good here. Next up, we're gonna pull off the fenders, visor, and grille. Let's get these fenders pulled off. This fender is nostalgic for my customer because he hand painted this hand on there. So these fenders are gonna go on the 87. Plus the 87 came with those two-wheel drive fenders. So these are going on it. And then it'll get a respray later. All set. Dashboard's pulled, fenders are pulled, grille is pulled. Now we just need to pull off the shocks, wheels, and tires. There's a brand new power steering box in there. There's brand new brake calipers up front. We got to pull off, and then we'll pull off the rear axle, and then it's ready to go to scrap. We're done with it.